Hello and welcome to the AC Entertainment Technologies booth at PLASA 2018. I'm Matt Millward and I'm here to talk to you about the Tourmate Multilock Hoist connector. This connector has been designed with the rigging industry in mind for multi-channel hoist power and control systems. This connector is designed around 16-pin configuration to stop the interconnection with other 19-pin industry standard connectors, making the lifting industry safer. It's come about through advancement in technology, making it more affordable on smaller batch quantities. For more information, contact our friendly sales team at AC Entertainment Technologies.